Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. Yo, what up mga kapatid? It's Thursday afternoon guys, and I'm on my way to Seoul today to meet my friends. We're gonna have dinner. I've never seen them for like maybe 12 years or maybe 13. I know, maybe 14 years. They're actually one of the first Filipino group here in London when I came here, and then I didn't see them for a long time ago, and now we managed to contact each other and meet before I ran away. So yeah, this is my third day being jobless now. The weather today is sunny. It keeps in and out. It keeps raining, sunny, raining, sunny. But at least now the sun is out. In the afternoon it's raining really hard. And I hope it's not gonna rain anymore though. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to the bus station. Bakit?
Hi vlog! I'm Anna.
This is Anna. Kita ba kayo? Ina!
Post mo kami, Kuya Elsa. Post mo. Editin mo yun na maayos-ayos.
Siyempre.
May
May music copyright.
Pagandahin mo kami ha.
Pagandahin din.
Pagandahin mo kami.
Wala pa kaming food, naghintay pa.
Tapos may late comer, tapos may isang
May late comer,
yung isa drawing.
Yung sa drawing, di pumunta. Yung sa late.
Tapos yung dalawa.
Parang dati lang.
Tapos parang hindi ba isa ayaw sumimot? Bakit kayo?
Yung isa nga ayaw mag-reply sa
Yung sa ayaw mag-reply.
Bakit kaya?
Alam na.
In paki-open naman kasi in-open ko na.
Kasi di kami nagkita ng 12 years. Si In, 10 years.
Ano 10 years, 2 years? 10 years tapos 2 years.
Oo, nagkita.
10 years. Di tayo nagkita yung 10 years tapos 2 years. Nag-outside bag din kaya kami nilaki.
Alam mo?
Sino pinuntahan nyo doon?
Saan ba yun? Dover?
Ah, Dover.
Maganda.
Kasi maganda doon.
Punta tayo.
Pupunta na ako doon. No.
Philippines.
No, you're not.
Same. Like, kawag ko puro Nepal. Sabi na, mukha ka Nepalese.
Unang tanong sa akin ba?
Baka may glass mo.
Kimchi to, no? Kimchi. Ay. Hindi makita. Hey.
She prepared 6.
Yeah, but the other one didn't show up. Wait.
Boomerang ba? Di marunong.
Patingin. Okay na yan, maganda.
Okay na yun.
Walang team, wala tayong teamwork.
Ubusin ba agad?
Hindi, ako konti-onti.
Ay, hindi mo pupusin.
Hindi pa ako makain eh. Sarap.
Damon lasa?
Ba't peach yung inuna mo?
Kasi I like the
May ranking, may ranking
Sarap
yun,
siya.
diba?
Soju.
Sarap siya, guys.
First time ko na-try.
Kung merong ano,
Oh, Pels, bartender ka, first time mo mag-soju.
Wala mong min soju sa bar.
Oh my God, sarap na.
alam mo favorite ko? Negroni.
Ako rin. Yung una, ayaw ko siya.
Ako din.
Yung pangalawang order ko, nagustuhan ko na hanggang sa ngayon, favorite ko.
Oo, favorite.
Kasi ang bitter niya.
I don't like it.
Sarap niya, sarap.
Ano favorite?
Negroni.
Ako gusto ko mojito.
Tayo ba yung magluluto?
Siya.
Ah, siya?
Bakit gusto mo ikaw?
Hindi.
Gusto mo ikaw?
Hindi.
Hindi na yun, kaya kasama ko siya eh.
Pero yung chicken naman.
Kaya nga dito tayo pumunta eh. Ay, let me give you.
Thank you.
So anyways, Jennifer always siguro nung pa rin siya sa monument. So she said she's going to back. Bago nung minsan, she's saying she's got momentum life. But this is kind of
Mabuti ng late.
better late than never.
Tumawag si Kimboy kanina na sabi mo na kaya.
Oo.
Pero,
Lagyan mo siya sa
pero,
Ano? Masarap to, Kim.
ay bakit ko namin si Mama? Tuesday nandito ka pa ba?
So, Tuesday, alis ko.
ba't ganun?
What's the reason behind?
Oo nga. Nakapag-girlfriend pa kayo?
Ano ba?
Hindi ko kasi tinatanong eh.
Ay, ako ba?
Hinihintay ko pa kayong lahat.
Ay, sorry. Isang time mo ko.
Oo, parang isang sagutan lang.
Lunok muna kayo ng
Nakasarap.
Tawa na ako sa London.
Seryoso.
Gusto ko sa island.
Island movie.
Kasi pag winter, ang lamig. Tapos pag summer, may fever ako. Parang, ang sama pa naman ng hay fever ko. Talagang katinong ilong ko, nagdulo.
Parang may reservation na ano. At some point babalik ka.
Babalik ako pero holiday lang.
Oh, really? Contact mo.
Mag-business ka na lang ba?
Oo.
Ano business mo? Anong business mo? Paano pwede mag-invest?
Q&A.
Ano, apartment.
Apartment.
Mag-invest na ako dyan.
Pero wala pa akong land eh. Maghahanap pa ako. Sa Sargal.
Oh, that's good.
Ang daming binibenta rin, pumunta ako rin. Sa Sargal.
That's good.
Kahit na 4 door lang na parang studio.
Pag nag-invest na ako, kasama ako sa investment.
Gusto mo? Tara. Pag umasenso, magpaparent tayo ng park.
Ayoko, marami kasi yung flood control.
Papakulong ko yung mga yun.
Baka mapunta lang sa kanila, sayang.
Hindi, sali tayo sa kanila.
Pero good decision yun ah.
Oo nga.
Guys, go mo yung life dito.
Gano'n katagal?
Hindi talaga sa akin yun. Ewan ko ba't ako nakatagal dito.
Ana, papaam.
I mean, gano'n katagal yung
Sabi ko,
decision making na yun? Ilang years? Or is it?
Nung ano pa yun 2 years ago, nung umuwi ako ng 3 months, sabi ko di na ako babalik. Problema, wala akong Philippine passport. So, ala akong mabiling property. So, ngayon, meron na akong Philippine passport. So, dual na ako.
Pwede ka pa rin bumalik at anin.
Oo.
So pag nag-chardo pala kami, bakyan na yan.
Bagyan na ba yan?
Bakyan na yan.
Bakit kasi ito? Kaya gusto mo?
Taylor Swift.
Eh, kayo dalawa na lang. Warm up daw, babe. Ako sa Orcos, yung play ko. Parang ang pangat ng tunog.
Volume! May yung volume. Karaoke time! Under the sea. Ang lakas ng kanila.
Rinig na rinig natin yung ano. Love yourself.
Love you.
Love yourself, guys!
Kanta yan ni Jess. Puro yelo naman to, scam. Ako nga, wait lang.
I don't wanna hold back. You should know that. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. Now I'm so caught up in my job that much. Oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that you came up with
Boses! Song lyrics talaga si Mama Nels.
and I didn't want to write a song. Thinking I still care about, but you still hit my phone up. But Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. You should go and love yourself.
Next!
And if you think you should go and fuck yourself.
Uy, tayo with a smile.
And I smile.
Who's the male?
Hello, si Papa El. Papa El!
Male, female together. Ikaw yan, though.
Oh!
I just woke up from the dream. But since I survived, I realized nobody's promised tomorrow. It's the last night, like it's the last thing the world was ending. I'm gonna be down to you. I wanna hold you just for a while and dive in the sky. I wanna be next to you.
God! Wala na akong bate.
Ikaw na.
I don't even wanna do this anymore. 'Cause you really know what you mean to me. Nobody's promised tomorrow. 'Cause I'm living every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last time we're standing. I wanna be next to you. Party was over and our time on earth was true. And I with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Uy, galing natin! Galing natin, guys!
Napapaos ako.
Ang sakit na ng
Ang sakit na.
next to you.
Mag-usap na nabubukas.
Drink na mo. Asa to? Ubus na yung namin. Ito ba yung namin?
May orange.
And the party was over, and I did a smile. If the world was end, I wanna be next.
Wala akong alam talaga sa akin.
Ako wala pa sa
Wala akong alam yung mga title na pinakanta natin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys!
That's a nice song. Million Dreams. Taas yun eh.
Never enough!
Never enough.
Never enough!
Masakit yun sa lalamunan.
Tinato. Tagal mo na ko. Mata ng boss mo.
Ano yung kanta ni Zendaya sa Zac Efron?
She's so beautiful. I tell her every day. And so,
Wala bang Sarah Perkin niya ako dyan?
what I see when I see your face. There's not a thing that I want change.
Next ako,
Next na.
hindi ko ma-add yung isa
So, hour lang eh.
Hindi ko next ang isa.
Kalahati lang.
Wala kalahati lang.
Ano na ba kayo?
Baby.
Baby, ilang minutes na tayo?
Baby, hello? Hello?
Ano ba yan? Galing natin, man.
Whoa, whoa. Know you love me. I
Sayang oras, puro baby.
Mag-make mo tayo ka na. Kabisado mo yun.
Oh my God!
Ikaw yung tinabong po na si Chinada.
Oh my God! Diba? Favorite natin yun eh. Sino to? Siyempre, apat na wala ko dyan. Hindi ko trip yan.
Kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I want. Yeah,
Come on, give me something.
don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? All you gotta do is just meet me at the Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Next na. Goes? I don't even know this song. Akala ko si Justin Bieber yan.
Justin Bieber yan.
Wait! Justin Bieber yan. Maganda yan, man.
Makabiyak ka.
Makaumiyak ka. Uy! Hindi ako umiiyak. Ano to? I use my brain now. Uy!
I want you to know that if I can get close to you, I'd tell the world it goes to you. Tomorrow.
Ay, ang ganda
Mamma Mia.
Ano to yung kanta natin, Ann? Flowers. Ay, ano?
Go.
Ano to? Nilagay ko talaga yan dyan. Ay, kasi maganda to eh.
Mamma Mia!
Ay, salita niyo po.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when.
Uy!
Look at me now. Will I ever learn? I don't know how. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget it. Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you?
Wala, babes! Kala mo wala, babes!
Well,
Tama na.
Siyempre, Ann, sabi ko sa'yo.
na to eh.
Ay, guys,
Taylor Swift.
siyempre, mga kanta ko Taylor Swift, guys. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Lagay mo nga dyan, zombie. Zombie! Zombie! Look at that face! You look like my next mistake! So hey, let's be friends. I'm nice.
Parang kanta ko.
Love you, princess, loving forever. Always a little on your face.
Cranberries.
And now, love the game. We'll take this way too far. My space, baby.
And I write your name.
Next na.
In your head, in your head, zombie. What's in your head? In your
That's Maroon 5 na. Shield lang.
Ah, nasa na yung rewrite the
Okay,
spice
yun din, mga lalaki.
Uy, wala na. Next na yun.
Masakit ang lalamunan ko.
Totoo lang.
O yung direct na.
Beauty queen of only 8 she has some trouble with herself. Always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Not sure where she wants to stay. Yes, you will be loved. Darling, darling, I really feel I won't be without you.
Buti na lang kapit bahay ko na kayo. Kakauwi ako.
Lucky Boys, ano yun? Bar?
I-edit niyo yung pumipiyok-piyok ako ah.
Puro piyok nga ako dun.
Edited dapat yun ng Papa El.
Puro piyok nga ako dun. Lucky Boys, ano yun? Bar?
Nagpunta na kayo dun.
Ano ba yun?
She needs to pee, man.
Oh, we should be there. Pwede tayo umihi dun.
Uy, ako.
Balik tayo.
Sarapan tayo. Ako din.
Third toilet lang tayo.
Sabi ko kasi kanina, ulit-ulit.
Wala akong bottle.
Uy, Papa Elms, dapat edited yun ah. Edited
Papalitan
na.
natin yung music. Walang piyok. Dapat mga clear yung boses natin dun.
Dapat maganda yung boses.
Sa lalamunan ko.
Oh my gosh.
Dun, dun, dun.